Hi everybody, welcome to another video. So where are we today? We're at Farringdon Station in London. That's the modern station for the Elizabeth line. And if I cross over the road, there's the older station. Circle line, Hammersmith and City and Metropolitan lines all connect. But where are we going? Well, we're heading up here, up Cowcross Street, because we're going to go to Hercule Poirot's fictional house, Florin Court. It is a lovely walk if you want to do this. Just get the tube or the Elizabeth line. And we'll soon be coming to Smithfield Market. So as with all of London, you need to keep your wits about you because there are cars everywhere and cyclists and people. But you're basically just coming out of the station, you're turning left or right if you come out of the Elizabeth line station. And you walk up Cowcross Street, which is what we're going here. You might want to stop for a coffee or a burger or whatever. Black phone box there, I'm not quite sure what black signifies, but this is a good time to ask, if you haven't already, if you could subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but helps me enormously. They're just washing the road there, so I'm just going to cross over. I really do like walking around London, exploring these new areas. If you haven't already, you need to give it a go. Look at that there, Peter's Lane. Lovely. Anyway, let's carry on doing what we're doing. And there you go, there's Smithfield's in front of you. Part of that is being redeveloped for the London Museum. But we're actually going to go left, so we're going to cross over, try not to get run down.
But the way
cross over. As I say, you need to have your wits about you. There are cars everywhere, bicyclists, the works.
I was on the call with Charlotte.
Smithfield there. But we're actually going to go left again. We're going to go up Charterhouse Street. It's not far, it's probably, 5 minutes from the tube station. And we're going to take a left here. You can go straight up there, but we're going to go left because we're going to go into Charterhouse Square, past the gardens. Up Charterhouse Street. And into Charterhouse Square itself. And you might be able to get a glimpse there of the fictional Florin Court in front of us. And this is Charterhouse Square, a community space, and it's actually open to the public every Friday between 10 and 12. I'm not here on a Friday, so I can't go in, but well worth visiting. You can see over there we've got Florin Court. This, of course, is the fictional home of Hercule Poirot. And it is, of course, called Florin Court. But what was it called for Hercule Poirot? Put your answer down below in the comments if you know. You can see actually the street I'm walking on, all the cobbles. It's lovely actually. Lovely to see this hasn't been changed at all. But there we go, the Art Deco masterpiece. I walk outside the front there. Can you envisage Hercule? Look at that. Anyway, thank you for watching. As always, if you can leave me a like or a comment, that'd be much appreciated. And as I say, if you haven't already subscribed, please do, because it does help me enormously. But just before you go, look at that. I love the detail there. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful, the Art Deco detail? Lovely. It's great also actually to see it's still got the metal windows. I wonder if they're still original. The lovely curves of the Art Deco. Lovely. And of course, it's not been developed around. We've obviously got these modern cars, but it's still as it was, still original, which is lovely to see. And actually, before you go, if we walk to the end of Charterhouse Square, you can see the original buildings here. Perhaps give you an idea of where we are. See the big signs for Charterhouse Square. This is the park, which is lovely. Looking down Charterhouse Street to Smithfield, and then looking up Charterhouse Street, and that's to the Barbican. Well, there you go. Thank you for watching. Until the next video.